Good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, I seen your homework. The sum.
I think the fifth one is wrong, but the sixth one is right.
Sixth one I
Because
did not. Sixth one I did not see yet. But fifth one is half right. It's just half correct and it's incomplete. So I'll tell you. Arey, but first thing now you have drawn the diagram incorrect. Okay, you have drawn the diagram like this. You've done the triangle like this. So first of all, though, it has to be right angle triangle. So I think maybe you saw the diagram that was done in the PPT also, it was like that. But one thing is this had to be perpendicular. So firstly, though, you correct the diagram. So make it
I did not understand.
right angle triangle. The diagram, the figure, the
Yeah,
triangle.
that was right angle triangle only.
No, it's not right angle triangle.
Also, in our school, they have completed quadratic equations and they have completed circle.
Circles?
Yes.
So soon?
Yes.
In how many classes did I complete circles?
Four. 3 to 4.
Okay, that's too much because circle is a very huge chapter, very huge.
That is what they only teach like one sum and then the entire practice set is for homework.
Anything is told up for you about the unit test, how they are going to take, what they are going to take?
No, there's not.
Nothing yet. Okay. Okay. We'll complete this sum, and then anyways, this was the last sum. Then we'll be doing the. I will be starting quadratic equations only today. So I just want you to do the
And
correction
circle?
in the circles. After that, we'll do because algebra we have just finished one chapter, no? That's why.
Okay.
Firstly, in this sum, the fifth sum, correct the diagram. Okay, make it a right angle triangle. This is C, B, D. This was 60 degree here, 90 degree here, and this was 30 degree here. Okay. Then after that, you got up to the step where you got CD is equal to 40. Up to this step,
Which question?
fifth one, which you have sent me the photos, no?
That has 20 meters down, that one. 20 meters,
Yeah,
BD is 20
the
meters,
tree.
that
Yes,
one.
correct. Yes,
So it
yes.
should be. Okay, I have not drawn it as a right angle triangle,
Yeah.
but I have given the sign of right angle triangle.
Yes, yes, yes. But suppose if you're doing such type of sum in the exam, your diagram, if you're doing a diagram, if you're drawing the figure, and if your right angle looks like this, then you will lose marks. Okay, there is a possibility that you may lose marks. Okay, up to this step it is correct. CD is equal to 40 that you have
One
got.
second. No, just wait for a minute. Yeah, CD equals to 40.
After that, what you have written, that
I
nothing is
used
required.
like how you told me that I can
Huh.
use angle sum property, so I used angle sum property.
I don't think I remember I had said angle sum property. I had said
No, you
either
had said Pythagoras.
Pythagoras. Huh. But now since you already found out, since you already used cos theta, there is no need of Pythagoras theorem. So after CD, whatever you have done, that cancel it off.
So like after CD equals to 40, how much over I've done everything, even
Yes,
the angle sum property and then
yes,
by Pythagoras,
yes,
all of
yes,
that.
yes. All of that cancel out. After that, just one small step is there.
I can do it over there only.
Yeah. Yes. First, I'll tell you what it is. I'll explain it to you, and then you write it down. So
Yeah.
this is the fifth one, right? Okay. Now, BC you got 20 root 3 and DC you got 40. Now, just try to recollect what was this sum. This sum was that BC, this was the entire tree, and at point C, the tree broke, and the top of the tree touching at point D. Correct? Did you recollect this? Do you remember all this? They were saying this is the entire tree. This is the entire tree, and at point C, the tree broke, and this point is touching the ground at D. Correct? The question says, the question says for you to find out what is the total height of the tree. Okay, total height of the tree. So can you see BC right here? Total height, will it be BC plus CD?
CB.
Are you understanding this? Why BC plus
CB,
CD?
right?
CD. Sorry. One same in this one in the same thing, na? BC CB.
How CD? It'll extend up now.
Yes,
Total
but
height will be
yes,
AC
yes,
plus
correct,
CB.
correct. But this part is broken, right? This part broke, and the top of the tree is touching the ground. So this is the remaining part of the tree. Are you understanding? No?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So the total height of the tree will be BC plus CD. Substitute the values. You have found out values of both. BC is 20 root 3 and CD is 40. 40. So now these two terms you cannot add because they are different. Here root 3 is there, here root 3 is not there. So you keep this as it is. Okay, you keep this as it is. And finally, you can say that the total height of the tree is total height of the tree.
You can stop like this only.
Yes, 20 root 3 plus 40 meters. This is the total height of the tree, because this is unlike, they are not same terms. These are different terms. So it is not possible to add a different terms. Why they are different? Because here root 3 is there, while here the root is absent. So you cannot add. That is the reason they are different. So whenever you get terms like this, they are different. You leave it as it is. And finally, we can say that the height of the tree is 20 root 3 plus
If we
40.
had taken AC plus CB, then what would have been the case?
AC, that
AC
is if
plus
this is
CB.
point. Now note one thing, that AC, this is the top of the tree. Now think about the tree. Now this part itself broke at this point, and this A point becomes D. That this CD is
Yes.
nothing but it is same as AC. It is the same thing.
So the
This one
answer would
and
be the
this.
same.
Yes, same.
Okay.
Anyways, we are not concerned with AC because it is not a part of my right angle triangle. Just for understanding purpose, I'm saying that this entire thing is the tree, or wait, or just for simply, we'll take this D. BD is the tree. Okay, BD is the tree, and at point C, the tree broke, and now D is touching the ground. Is it clear? Any confusion?
No, it's clear.
No, no. I hope it's completely clear. So,
Yes.
so you can cancel up that after CD, whatever you did, you can cancel up that and just write this part. This is the last part. Total height BC plus CD. Total height of the tree BC plus CD, that is 20 root 3 plus 40, and hence you can say total height of the tree is 20 root 3 plus 40 meters.
So what is written that only, right? PC
Y-
plus CD.
yes.
Also, this Sunday and Saturday both I have tests, so I don't think you will keep it on Friday also, because on Saturday also I have a test, so I'll be doing that.
Okay. We'll decide a day later on for trigonometry.
Oh,
So this coming week, Saturday and Sunday you have, no? So next week we'll keep them. How about next week? Anything is decided
next
for you
Sunday
next week?
also no, next Sunday Thomas has kept it on Sunday.
Next week on Sunday she has kept. And how
So
about
every
next?
Saturday I have a class of
Hmm,
Sanskrit also.
hmm.
So next
So
to next
next
also is gone.
Tuesday, next to
Yeah,
not this week.
Tuesday, even Monday you can keep if you want to. Monday also I don't have a problem if you want to keep it on Monday.
You don't have any other classes on Monday? Nothing, right?
Only Renuka misses class from 3 to 5.
3 to 5. Okay.
Yeah, because she stopped taking it on Saturday, so now she takes it for 2 hours.
2
That
hours
is it.
on Saturday
Yeah, because
because
she
you
doesn't
have
take
a
it on Saturday. Yeah,
okay.
because I
Saturday
have a.
you have a class. Okay. How about next week, Tuesday? Check your calendar. Next week, Tuesday. That
13th of July.
yes, 13th. 1 minute, I'll just check my date.
It's 13. Because 10 and 11, I have a test, 60, and then 17 and 18 also I have a test. So 13, I think, is good.
13th is good,
Yeah,
right? So we'll
yeah.
fix for 13 then. Trigonometry.
That is in a week, 1 week, right?
Yes. Yes. Correct. Next week.
Okay.
Next week, Tuesday. Same thing. Today is a Tuesday, no? So next week, Tuesday. 13.
On trigonometry, the entire thing, even word
Yeah.
problems.
Yes. Even word problems. Word problems, only the ones type of ones that we did. And
How many marks?
if you see the Tuesday, no, 20 marks I'll take. And the second test which
Okay.
I'll take that I'll keep it up at 30 marks later on.
Which chapter?
Trigonometry only. First test,
Acha, okay, later on. Okay, fine, fine.
later on. Okay, so did you finish writing this?
Yes.
Then okay.
Purka, there's a class, there's a test on next Tuesday, right?
Yes, Tuesday. Make a note of it. I'll send a message as well. Okay, so with this, I think we will finish with, we'll stop with trigonometry.